Have you ever wondered what happens when a dog goes to the groomer? Well, watch closely because this dog is getting a haircut, and you'll see how his appearance changes completely. The groomer even trims his tail because it's too long and then continues with his back, which, by the way, is also very long. Next, the groomer works on his beard. And look, the dog stays still because he knows it's for his own good and slightly turns his ear. Then, the groomer moves to his belly, the hair behind his legs, and the dog helps perfectly by extending his little paw. It's as if the dog understands what's happening. The groomer continues with a bit of work on the belly, and look, in the end, he looks impeccable. Leave your like.